Are you looking for a home with a combination of both rural and modern living? This is Dayan and I welcome you to North Orchard Residences. I welcome you to our model unit, Florence. Let's start the house tour. North Orchard Residences is an 11.5-hectare master plan community surrounded by natural scenery and well-curated amenities. Located here in Santa Maria, Bulacan, this property is highly accessible to areas such as Walter Mart Santa Maria Medical Center, Philippine Arena, and Santa Maria Bypass Road. So as you arrive outside the unit, you will see a gate and a fence here, which are included in the unit turnover. And then on the side, we have a lawn. And here, we have a carport that is good for 2 cars. Now, let's go inside your dream house. So as we enter the main door, you will be greeted by a spacious living room that is nice for socializing as well as relaxation with your family. So we have here the 3 windows that gives natural light and also good for the ventilation of the house. And then we have here the staircase going to the 2nd floor. And then we have here the dining area, and this can fit a 6-seater table. We have here the kitchen area, and then this is good for creating memories as well with your family. So on this side, we have the tiled bathroom. So we have here the sink, the toilet, we have a bidet, and then a glass partition as well before the shower area. And then we have here, adjacent to the kitchen, is our door for the service area. And then we have here a countertop, a sink, and then this area can also be your dirty kitchen as well as your storage area. And now we're back at the carpet area. Let's now check the 2nd floor. So as we climb the stairs, so you will notice this big glass window that gives natural light to the staircase of the house. And on this side, we can hang some picture frames on the wall to personalize your house. So on the 2nd floor, we have here the bedroom 1. And in this room, we can fit a single bed. And then on this area, we can have a cabinet and then a study table as well. So after the bedroom 1, we have here a hallway. And then we can have some of our decorations on display here and also some of our figurines. And now this is our 2nd bedroom. So in here we can fit a queen-size bed to king-size bed. And then we can put a cabinet in here and a side table there. So this room also has the biggest window of all the 3 rooms. And then we have here our 2nd bathroom. So in here we can have a sink, a countertop, a toilet, and also a glass partition and a shower area. And then lastly, we have the master's bedroom. So on this bedroom, we have a queen-size bed to king-size bed, and then we can put a cabinet in here and a study table or a working area. Don't miss out the opportunity to make this house your own. I am Dayan, and schedule a tripping today and discover the endless possibilities that await you at North Orchard Residences.